If this is the mother of this kid, who will be her father? If this is the father of this kid, who is the mother? If this is the mother of this kid, who is the father?
All right, guys. Today, we're doing something totally wild with AI, something you probably didn't even know you could do. Get this, you can actually see what your future kid might look like. Crazy, right? And the best part, we're gonna show you how to do it for free. Before we dive in, though, do me a solid, smash that like button and hit subscribe. These videos take some work, and it'd mean a lot if you show some love.
Okay, straight to the point. Open up your browser and type in Tensor Art. If you've never used it before, no worries. I've already made a video on how to create consistent characters with AI for free. I'll link it here or drop it in the comments so you can check it out. Today we're bringing Tensor Art back, but we're taking things to a whole new level. You're not going to want to miss this, so
let's get started.
Search for tensor.art on your browser and click to open it. Once you're on the home page, search for Flux Pulid and select Flux Pulid KLIG. Click here to change the model. Select Flux Pro Editor's Edition. Here, you can select the resolution you want. You can select the number of images you want to generate with your prompt and choose the best one. You can create up to 8, but I find 3 works best. If you generate more than like 4 images at once, it may give you weird results that aren't what you want, and you'll also spend more credits. Step 1. Get ready with 2 pictures each of the man and the woman. For creating the daughter, use the woman's picture twice as reference. For the son, use the woman's picture once and the man's picture twice as reference. In the prompt, just write, create an image of a 2-year-old, 5-year-old, or 10-year-old girl or boy. Pick any age you like. If you learned something, like the video, and if you want to learn more, subscribe. It's that easy. Please share the video too. Stay updated, keep learning with me, and let's grow together.